Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this bomb curly wig. This is going to be a two-part video, so make sure you click the link below. Alright, so this is the hair that I received from Nadula. This is their curly hair in the length 18, 20, and 20. I also received some lashes as well as it is with a closure. This is their bomb curly hair. You guys know how I feel about Nadula hair. It is bomb to me. So just keep watching so I can show you how I made this custom wig in part 2 of defining these curls. So I went ahead and sewn on my closure onto my spandex cap. And it still has like the full cap to it. All I did was just sew right around the band. And how I always show you guys that I did cut the lace at an angle here to make the my closure lay flat. So it's best to use a shower cap, but I don't have any shower caps, so I'm just gonna use my bag. I'm just putting this on my head because I don't want the glue to stick to my hair, and I want to be able to remove the cap, which is the purpose of this wig. Pull this back, put my cap on. Look at that hair. Ooh, so pretty. Smells like hair. Okay guys, so all I'm going to do is go side to side, cut, glue, repeat. And I'm going to be using this Salon Pro hair glue. And yes, I took my nail off because y'all, I hit it and I thought that thing was bleeding underneath, and it wasn't. It was just hurting. I just hit it really hard. You know how you hit your nail so hard, you be like, dang, is it bleeding underneath? Y'all, it wasn't anything. It was just hurting so bad. And I'm so upset because I done had this set on for almost 2 weeks, and I never keep my nails on that long. See how I got glue on there? I put it on low and blow dried a little bit. Just a little bit. And I know it's another step, but it's so worth it. And if you can, get your cornrows as flat as possible. I braided mine in the shower, and then I didn't braid them all the way down to the end, so this right here is real bulky. But try to make sure you can get your cornrows to be flat. However, it will be in your install. As you can see, I'm not doing anything special. I'm just measure, glue, dry a little bit, apply to my head, blow dry on high. That's it. So this is all I have left for the first bundle, and it's only been 9 minutes since I started. So the first bundle only took me 9 minutes to apply, and as you can see, I'm almost done with my entire head. I will try to fit in 2.5 packs, so as I get up to the top, I will get the tracks a little closer. It's just that I try not to put them too close at the bottom, because the bottom is the fastest part to like mat on you, like to get tangled. So I spread my bottom tracks out a little bit more. And then when I get up to the top, that's when I get them a little closer. And you know, plus I can have more volume and more at the top. So you can definitely do this style in less than an hour. It will not take you long. Especially if you're gluing like me, sis. All right, and your last track, you want to make sure it go right against the closure, like touching it. Not on top, because that'll make it bulky. You just want it right beside it. Okay, and you do not want to take it off right off bat. You want that glue to like settle and set into that spandex cap. So I'm going to go ahead and do my part without removing my wig yet. Ooh, this hair is bomb. I wish y'all could really see because this camera is not doing it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and again click the link down below so you can see how I actually defined these curls and got this wig to look really cute like this. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.